What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. Before we get into the video, I gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. As you guys can see, I have DEX tools pulled up. Always start off with the top 10 hottest peers on DEX tools. Number one, we got Dosa. This is a project that we're making a video on in this video. Dequan, Genblock, Tama Bone, CSI, Sect, Hexcar, and Luna. Let's hop right into this project, Dosa. Saw a lot of people talking about it on crypto Twitter. It has a ton of hype. I think they recently had a pre-sale launch that happened, so that's why you see that huge spike on the pre-sale. A lot of hype going around, and right now the chart is trading sideways. I'm guessing a bunch of the pre-salers got out. That's why it, retraces right here. A lot of people saw the dip, got right back in, and now we'll see if it maintains this floor right here. But yeah, this is the typical chart you'd probably see from like a pre-sale. So nothing too crazy going on right here. Okay, so we got 668k in liquidity. It's pretty nice. Always love good liquidity, guys, so you could do a bunch of trading and don't have to worry about too much price impact. 236k in trade volume, daily trade volume. That's pretty good. 1.45k holders. Just starting off doing pretty good. 1.4k holders. Just when did it launch? On the 29th. Okay, just a few days ago. That's pretty good. And the market cap, 3 million total market cap. 94 out of 99 DEX tools score. Like what I see from here, guys. See that it's listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Okay, so they got that listing already done. That's pretty great. Let's check out the website. Let's see what we got here. Dosa, your favorite coin's favorite coin. Okay, I like the little slogan there. Dosa is a Web3 protocol that enables holders of the Dosa token to vote for how the Dosa treasury wallet is spent in a function known as the Dosa bomb. Okay, so they have like a DAO for voting on the Dosa bomb. Let's see, Dosa bomb. What is this? Welcome to Dosa bomb. Okay, so from what I could see, when it gets to $50,000 here, super close, 44k right now. The project with the most votes, and I'm guessing it's gonna be Elongo, 3 or 4 votes. The project with the most votes gets that Dosa bomb, and then they literally drop 50,000 on the project that gets the most votes. That is some very innovative marketing. That is some very innovative marketing. Okay, right here we have the pedigree. I'm guessing this is the white paper. What is, okay, yeah, this is the white paper. Nice. What is Dosa? So you could go through the whole white paper right on the front page. You know what I'm saying? Most websites you have to scroll through like a ton of stuff before you can find the white paper. It's right there for you. Breakdown of the tokenomics. Pretty nice design on the white paper. Okay, guys, I like what I see there. Super great marketing strategy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the holders of the projects that are eligible for the Dosa bomb would more than likely see Dosa, what Dosa's doing, and just might become a part of the Dosa community as well. So that's a great marketing strategy, guys, and the top holders gets rewarded as well, which keeps the floor strong because the top holders wouldn't want to sell and lose out on the Dosa bomb rewards. What is Dosa? I'm seeing these scrolling across the screen right now, so I'm guessing these are NFTs for the Dosa project. Pretty nice designed NFTs. I like the eye patch. I like this one right here. This is fire. What is Dosa? Dosa, a Korean Mastiff breed, is dignified, easygoing, good-natured, intelligent, and loyal. The gentle giant enjoys being with others. It tends to lean on its favorite people like a huge lapdog. Okay, we chose the Dosa dog as our protocol's mascot because of these characteristics. They represent the core values of the project: collaboration and support, which is always great in any community. We say that Dosa democratizes green candles because it enables communities of other projects to get attention and transaction volume on the projects they feel the most passionate about. So far from what I'm seeing, guys, the project is looking really good. Next up on the website, we got a Dosa tokenomics. Total supply is around 1 billion supply, not too crazy of an inflated supply. 3% marketing, maintenance and marketing, 2% out of liquidity, which is really good. 2% to the Dosa bomb. Nice. 11% to the team and advisors, 39% for exchanges and the multi-chain reserve, and 50% is locked to Unicrypt. Okay, Chainlink integration. Well, okay, they're using Chainlink. They got a partnership with Chainlink. For each Dosa Crash NFT minting, Chainlink VRF generates one or more random values and cryptographic proof of how those values were determined. The proof is published and verified on-chain before consuming applications can use it. This process ensures that results cannot be tampered with or manipulated by any single entity, including Oracle operators, miners, users, scripts, or smart contract developers. Okay, I got to give props to the team. They really thought out everything for this project. This project is looking legit, okay? This project is looking legit. All right, we got a breakdown of the Dosa team. The Dosa team are anonymous and pseudonymous developers and computer programmers. The Dosa protocol is decentralized and bigger than any particular individual or team. The only function of the Dosa token or Dosa NFTs is to enable holders to vote in the Dosa bomb. Holding Dosa should not be considered an investment. Okay, so they have like just a disclaimer for you guys, because like I said, you never know in the crypto space. A project could have everything that makes it a winner, but in the crypto space it's super risky, super volatile, and the project you think is a winner, you never know what could happen in the future, you know what I'm saying? But from what I've seen from Dosa and the website and everything I've seen so far, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna check out the Twitter next. Okay, Dosa, your favorite coin's favorite coin. 10.2k followers. I told y'all, man, it has so much social engagement on Twitter. It's all over the place. If you're in the degen space, you on Ethereum in the degen space, you more than likely have heard of Dosa. Dosa is proud to be featured in the crypto.com showroom. Hit the star and add us to your favorites. Okay, in the most popular. Nice. Okay, we trending Moon Talk amongst ETH 2.0 and other projects. Dosa right here, pretty nice. You could also see they're getting a bunch of likes and retweets on their posts, which is good. 10,000 followers. Okay, CMC listing. Yeah, the team is legit. The team is putting in that work. Let's check out like the hashtag Dosa and see what people are saying on Twitter. Okay, anime. Dosa is a great entry. I really believe this is a long-term hold that will pay off. Team is great. I could agree with you, man. The crypto man, there she is. Dosa. Comic calls Dosa coin. Dosa trending right next to Bone, Tama, CSI, Dequan. Pretty great stuff. Dojin. We haven't seen anything yet. Dosa. As you can see from the engagement as well, like it has so much engagement. Nomics. People spreading the word as much as they can on it. Epic reversal on Dosa. Send it to 100 mil with haste. 56 likes and 20 retweets. That means the community is putting in that work, spreading the word of the project as much as they can. Because remember, the team could only do so much. You know what I'm saying? Once you have a strong community in a project, you never know how far the project could go. Alright, and the last thing we're going to check out is the Telegram group. Alright, so we got the Dosa Telegram pulled up. And we got 7,531 members in the Telegram group. That's a lot of people. I know a lot of people is rushing to get in that pre-sale. I know for sure they were. Talking about the crypto.com, most popular. Buys coming in. Still early. People in the community saying the like and retweet, share on Twitter. New ATH today. Yeah, we got the vibes in this Telegram, that's for sure. We got the vibes. Alright, new ATH today. We'll see who keeps their spot by the time the bomb hits. Yep, community definitely looking strong, man. A strong community in a project goes a long way. Goes a super long way. Because there's so much projects without like a dev team that gets to, you know, super high market caps. Right now Dosa is at 3 mil, so there's a ton of upside potential for this project. Just like the tweet that we saw that the project has a potential to go to 100 mil market cap, I wouldn't be shocked to see that at all. How much X's is that from here? 33.3x to the upside. That is great gains. So yeah guys, that brings me to the end of the video. I'm loving what I see from the project Dosa. Really great project, you know what I'm saying. I see a bunch of potential for this project. Let me know your thoughts, what you think of the project down in the comment section. If you're invested, comment down below. Let me know what you think, where you think the project is headed in the future. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.